In today's video, I'll show you how to view a Jira workflow diagram to better track and manage your projects. Start by logging into your Jira account and navigate to the Your Work section. Select the project you want to focus on, then click on the Issues tab to see all tasks and tickets associated with that project. Next, open the specific issue you want to inspect. Look for the View Workflow option, usually near the status label or in the Options menu. Clicking this will display the workflow diagram showing all possible statuses and transitions your issue can go through. This visual map helps you understand the life cycle of tasks, spot potential bottlenecks, and improve project tracking. Remember, workflow configurations may vary by project, so your diagram might look different depending on how your Jira admins set it up. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Jira workflow diagram.